So it's 2016. Happy New Year. The point is, how did we get this far? 2016? Are you kidding? I was born in 1961. I'm not sure about you, but I remember 1968. I remember my parents' friends having Nixon's The One stickers on their cars, probably a station wagon. I remember getting up in the night to go to the bathroom and watching Walter Cronkite announcing the shooting of Bobby Kennedy. Time flies. What happened to it? All these years later, now it's time for New Year's resolutions. Yes, we don't have much time left. And there are a couple of things you might like. One, time management. Time that is wasted. All we have is time. If I have the TV on, all the cable, the sports, the news, the movies, I could be distracted for hours and not get things done. Computers, you could email people and answer emails all day. You could do Twitter all day, Facebook all day. You could watch YouTube videos for hours. You didn't have time to do laundry or clean your place or make work calls. No, because you were on those things. I say, don't sit down and turn them on. That's a New Year's resolution. Also, contact old friends, because old friends are better than new friends. They know where you are. They know where you've been. Also, family members you don't talk to, reach out to them. You don't have them forever. If they die, you'll feel regret. And do those things you always wanted to do but didn't do. Those are New Year's resolutions for 2016. I hope you like them. Happy New Year. Those are my 2 cents. My 2 minutes are brought to you by Capital Consultants and Edge Construction. Mike Tuig and his staff can redo your house, your bedroom, your basement, your kitchen, your staircase, make your home feel just like home. We can talk about this and more on the radio Monday morning at 8 on 92.1 FM The Mike, The Mitch Hanks Show. Talk to you then.